Okay, so today we talk about the relation between the wall thickness, casting wall thickness, and between the casting surface defect. And you can say we will discuss the relation between the casting wall thickness and the plunger speed and casting filling time. How the process change and how we have to control the process in a closed tolerance as we change to the casting thickness so that we can uh, get the consistent casting quality. So today we will discuss this thing. So here your on your screen you can see when we are talking about wall thickness and surface defect in the die casting. So it's important to understand how change in wall thickness impact the fill time. Let me give you the example to make it clear. Uh, if you change in wall thickness and you can say what the fill time is required, as you reducing wall thickness, your casting wall thickness from 2 mm to 1.5 mm. So in result, 25% reduction in fill time. What it does mean, you have to be reduce your fill time by increasing your plunger speed by 25% if you are decreasing your casting wall thickness for 2 mm to 1.5 mm due to whatever the reason, maybe weight reduction or customer requirement. On the other hand, if you see on your screen, you're reducing wall thickness from 3.5 mm to 3 mm. Okay, so in result here, the only 12% reduction in fill time. It means you have to only 12% reduction in your fill time by reducing or sorry, by increasing your plunger speed by 12%. So here's the difference. You can see the same wall thickness reduction from 2 mm to 1.5 or 3.5 mm to 3 mm, but the filling time reduction or how the plunger speed increasing is going. So here's the difference. So what does this mean for us? Even a small variation in plunger speed, which affect fill time indirectly on a thin wall casting like 2 mm, can be very noticeable when it comes to a surface defect. On the other hand, the same fill time variation in a thicker wall casting like 5 mm or 3 mm or 4 mm would be make a much difference in terms of surface defect. So they show how sensitive the thin wall casting are to change in the process and why it's crucial to control plunger speed accurately to avoid casting surface defect. So we need to close monitoring as well as a close control mechanism when we are running low wall thickness casting as compared to the higher wall thickness casting like 4 mm, 5 mm. So keep remember this. Thank you. Thank you very much. Keep learning till death.